Welcome to this week's swing report video. We're going to just take a look because of what's going on with the market right now. We're just going to zoom out. We're going to stay at the 50,000 foot level. We're not going to look at individual swings right now because we need the market to be in our favor if we're going long. If we're not going long, we're going short. Again, we still need the market to be in our favor. So we have had this amazing run up with SPY, and right now we're pausing. This doesn't mean that we're just going to fall apart. It could mean healthy consolidation is on its way, which is most likely, but we're just going to take this one day at a time, and we are going to look at XLK. So on this weekend's report, we looked at XLK with this 0.618 resistance. I actually stopped during the report and we set an alert. So if price were to hit, I'm just going to put it 124.14, excuse me, 124.17, we put an alarm right there. And Tuesday, the alarm went off that we hit this 1.618 resistance on XLK, and price may pause there, and it did. So why are we looking at XLK so heavily? We have to remember where the market baskets are. Technology makes up 34% of SPY. All of these other sectors would have to bond together to lift the market up without technology pulling in its bull direction. So that's definitely something we have to note, that we can't just look the other way up. So that's why XLK was kind of important. The other canary in the coal mine for us is this IWM. IWM hit a lower high. That day was February 18th, that week. And this is while SPY and NASDAQ was hitting higher highs. IWM kind of gives us a look under the hood. What's going on with the market and the overall true sentiment. This is small business. This is the backbone of America. So if investors aren't willing to invest in small cap, then what does that mean for the market as a whole? So right now we're hovering at the 0.786 resistance. This could be an extended bull flag. No major areas of concern. And remember, as we go over every week, let me delete this, that we would have to come back and lose at this level 319.86, and that is that weekly 21 EMA, our mean reversion. We'd have to lose that level in order to get bearish, and we're nowhere near that. So we have plenty of room to sort this out. What do the odds favor? The odds favor, well, it's a 50-50, two things, a bull flag or an EQ. And we'll have to wait for price action to tell us. And we'll just keep outlining different thresholds or barriers or different markers along the way that will give us cause to pause or cause to get long. So we'll be looking at this on this weekend's report. So on Amazon, we had I had a position on from our swing report signal back in here. I took off a little more of my Amazon after XLK hit that high. So just making sure that I am being protective. I'm not deviating from my trade plan. I'm letting my stops work. And remember, we have a 3-day weekend coming up. So we just want to relax, sit on our hands, and let the market tell us what it's going to do. It's kind of changing character today. That doesn't mean we're going to throw the baby out with the bathwater, but we're just going to step back and check its temperature. And as a swing report service, we're going to look for honey badgers. What things are deviating and setting themselves apart from the market that are able to go up and face a market weakness? And or we may be looking for shorts. We may be looking to take some inverse ETFs, maybe some single ETFs that aren't 3 times leveraged. We don't want that decay, but we'll take a look at this one step at a time. So again, one day does not make a market, and we have to determine, is this just rotation? Are we just looking at money moving into BA, into United Healthcare, CRM, those bigger Dow components? And that may be what's happening. And that may give us more opportunities to position ourselves. Either way, here at the Swing Report, we'll look at it together. We'll give you clear, definitive levels that you can base your trades off. As the fisherman, we're just kind of giving you the depth finder as to where to go find the fish, and you are going to execute that fishing plan, or in this case, that trading plan. Thanks for hanging out with me on this video. I look forward to either seeing you this weekend with the Swing Report videos or next week on the weekly Swing video.